How to choose the best resolution in Reelshot. Want your videos to look sharp? Here's how to choose the best resolution in Reelshot. After finishing your edit, tap Export or Save. Check the resolution options, commonly 720p, 1080p or 4K if available. Choose the highest resolution your device supports for best quality. Remember, higher resolution videos use more storage and take longer to export. Select your preferred option and start exporting. What resolution do you usually pick? Let us know about it in the comments below. For social media, 1080p is a perfect balance between quality and file size. And that's how you can choose the best resolution in Reelshot. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.